Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dig into the guts of business filings and find out what is really going on. Today we're reshaking things up with some auditor drama and a name change at Solana Co. So what happened on the 15th of October 2025 is that Solana Co, which used to be known as Helios Medical Technologies Incorporated, announced something pretty significant. They've changed their independent auditors, and that's always a story worth tracking. We were going to break down why this matters and what it might mean for their future. Done. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more of this kind of content, and join our Discord community linked in the description for some after hours analysis. Alright, let's get to the main event. It looks like a major accounting firm, Baker Tilly US LLP, has resigned as Solana's auditor. This is a big deal in the corporate world. Think of your auditor as your financial doctor, the one who gives the official stamp of approval on your company's health. When they resign suddenly like this, especially right before a financial reporting period, it always raises a few eyebrows. Now, they re-saying here that Baker Tilly S reports for 2023 and 2024 weren't T-bad in terms of opinions or qualifications, which is good. But there was a big asterisk. They included an explanation about substantial doubt regarding the company S ability to keep going. This is corporate speak for, we're not sure if this company can stay in business without some serious changes or funding. That is a flashing red light for investors. It doesn't mean the company is definitely going under, but it means the auditors felt it was important to flag that risk. And because this is a formal filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, also known as the SEC, they got to follow strict rules. Solana Co had to share these details with Baker Tilly and ask them to confirm if they agree with Solana S version of events leading up to their resignation. This ensures transparency with regulators. V also filed a letter from Baker Tilly dated the 16th of October as Exhibit 16.1, which basically confirms their side of the story. But it is not all bad news. On the very same day, the 15th of October, Solana Co S Audit Committee didn't waste any time. They immediately appointed a new accounting firm. That firm is CB's CPAs PC, or CB's CPAs for short. They've been brought on board to be the company S auditor for the rest of 2025. So the company is quickly trying to put this auditor change behind them and move forward for the upcoming financial year. Now, here is an interesting tidbit about this new relationship. The company is stating that they did not consult with CBI CPAs about any specific accounting questions or potential audit opinions before this official appointment. This is also a common point in these filings. It means that CBI CPAs isn't coming into this with pre-formed opinions based on prior discussions, suggesting a fresh start from their perspective. They are coming in to audit, not to advise on past decisions. Looking at the company's stock, it is traded on the Nasdaq and has the ticker symbol HSD. It is their class a common stock. Given the news of an auditor change and that previous going concern warning, this is the kind of information investors are certainly watching closely. Any instability in accounting can directly impact investor confidence and the stock price. So, what is the takeaway here? The core of this filing under item 4.01 is all about the change in the company, S certifying accountant. It is a formal announcement that their old auditor is out and a new one is in. The key point of concern is the substantial doubt about their ability to continue as a going concern, a serious warning that previous auditors flagged. This is the critical piece of information that investors and analysts will focus on. It signals potential financial distress and the need for close monitoring. Now, looking at Solana Co S situation in broad strokes, the change in auditors, particularly after a warning about the company S ability to continue operating, is a significant event. It can be a sign that the company is addressing past issues, or a signal that new leadership is trying to gain better control over its financial reporting. The fact that they found a new auditor quickly is a positive step, showing they are proactively managing the situation. However, the lingering question about their financial stability, highlighted by Baker Tilly S concerns, is a major risk. Investors will be looking for clear signs of improved financial health and a solid plan for the future from Solana Co. The new auditor, CB's CPAs, will have a critical role in assessing and reporting on the company S financial standing in the upcoming periods. It will be fascinating to see if they can provide renewed confidence in the company S long-term viability. Alright, that is our breakdown of Solana Co, S latest filing. What is your take on these auditor changes and what do you think it means for the company S future? Drop your thoughts in the comments if this analysis was valuable. Hitting that like button really helps. And subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.